And this is a very popular area, not only for tourists, but a lot of Thai people come here as well to eat, especially now on a Sunday. So as you can see, we even made it in the newspapers here. Good evening. I'm here at the National Stadium BTS station, and the reason that I'm here is because I am on my way to a very popular night market. We are going to the Banthat Thong walking street or night market, and to get there you can take exit number 2 here at the National Stadium BTS station. Just keep walking Rama 1 road until you get to the end of the BTS line. We're at the end or beginning of the Silom line, and you just follow the road here and then you turn left in the direction of Chulalongkorn Road. If you go one street further, you're actually in the actual road, but I would say come here because this also shows you a bit of the Chulalongkorn University. So just follow it in the direction of the Centenary Park. The guard is here. This weekend there is a very cool fun fair, the Alloy Fun Fair, and that's gonna mean that there are a lot of food stalls here at the Chulalongkorn University area. So we're gonna go first to the food stalls, and then after that I will show you the actual road. And this is just temporarily, but I just wanted to show you guys how this looks. But if you want to go to the main street, you go in this direction. But let's go and check out the market first. It's always nice to see that in Bangkok they have these pop-up markets. So as you can see, this is more like a vintage market. And we are a bit early in the evening. If you come here later, it's gonna be busy. Yeah, I just wanted to share a part of this market, but let's go to the main food road, which is over here. So this area used to be where people came to buy car parts, sports goods, and now it's a very popular food district. As you can see, we're not the only people here. And this is a very popular area, not only for tourists, but a lot of Thai people come here as well to eat, especially now on a Sunday. You know, it's really cool how they pimped up all the buildings in here, and it really has a very similar atmosphere as the Song Wat district that I showed you a couple of weeks ago. Super Mario is doing his thing. And this here is the main Banthat Thong road. As I mentioned, we are a bit early. If you come here around 6:30, 7 o'clock, that's when all the students that study here in the university and all the Thai people are gonna come and have their food, and especially in the weekend. So I can definitely recommend it. As you can see, it's very easy to get here. Just go to the National Stadium, take exit number 2 and walk straight on. So we're gonna look for a place to eat, and then after that we're coming back to the market. We have these little side streets, so you really need to explore the whole area. There are plenty of restaurants. So in total there are over 200 restaurants here, and they are mostly Thai food, so it's a really good area if you want to explore your cravings for Thai food. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Hello.
Buy one get one free.
Oh, that sounds good. Mirella, buy one get one free. Okay. But do you have something to take away?
Yes, yes sir.
Yeah, I just want one for takeaway.
Which one you like? Which one? You can try it. You can try.
No, the lemon crush.
Lemon? Try?
Yeah. No, I just want one.
Okay. And another one?
What more do we have? Okay, this is mine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the first.
55 baht.
Okay. 65?
Yes.
Okay. Can we scan?
Sure.
Yeah?
Donation for Thai people.
Ah.
At Thailand.
Okay, let's do that also.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So a very popular way to pay in Bangkok is by scan.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Okay, thank you. Kakumaka. Bye bye. So we got our 2 ice creams, and if you want to try a good ice cream, because they're actually really delicious, you come here to the ice cream Samosorn. In the street you have plenty of Michelin places. So Sawadee krap. This is the sawang noodle. They even have a cat cafe. Sawadee krap. Oh, you want to have a look?
Yeah, up to you. No, we don't have.
Okay. Okay. But I don't want another ice cream.
No, exactly. So,
Okay, thank you. It's actually a really nice area. You have the Centennial Park around the corner. You have the whole campus of the university here, and this amazing walking street, the Banthat Thong night market, the Banthat Thong walking street. And we were very surprised to find something kind of Romanian here. So here you can get the curd toast by Sostare. And besides the ice cream, you can also get this roll, and this is typical Romanian. Well, actually this is from Hungary. So here we are. Let's go and try it out. And we also have a nice matcha coconut.
People who are from Romania or Balkans, they will know about Kurto or Polak cities.
So how is it?
It's very good.
I like it. Well, I'm obviously not from Romania, but it tastes very much like a kind of apple pie. I like it. You should come and try it. There are actually a lot of sweet shops here in the area. It's not only Thai food, but you can get a lot of ice cream, and this is an ice cream bar with, I would say, apple pie. This looks very much like a Dutch delicacy, which is called puffertjes. They're like mini pancakes.
สวัสดีค่ะที่นี่มีกับข้าวตามสั่งนะคะเชิญนั่งค่ะเอาไว้มองไปที่นี่นะคะกับข้าวด้านข้างนี้นะคะ
So this is a really cool feature here. You can get yourself in the newspaper. So we're gonna do that. Global Travel Mate was visiting the market. So 100 baht, right? 100 baht. Okay.
Moment favorite. Okay. With the
Countdown 9 seconds.
Okay.
what kind of face is that?
Okay. And it's coming out here. This is really cool. And you're always on the market here? Every day?
Yes, every day.
Okay, very nice. So as you can see, we even made it in the newspapers here. Anyway, I hope you and I just got some spicy food in my throat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Banthat Thong market here in Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.